it's finally happening, a room tour. So I just have some little stuff on my door, and it is completely different from last time. So I've moved my bed like 3 times since the last room tour video, I think, because my bed was like here in the middle, and then it was up against the wall over there, and then I moved it over. So yeah, this is what we got. I'm gonna close the door. So yeah, I got some little fairy lights up. Everything's pretty much the same, like the tapestry with the llamas. I have this little stand with some cubbies in the cat area, dog food, candles, hamper, you know. This picture down here hangs here on the wall, but one of the command hooks came undone, so it's not hanging up. So just have some posters from college, some other fun stuff, all my little plushies, and some snow globes. So got my Build-A-Bear Toothless, which I've named Vera, and then all the little babies, and then lots of the Fantastic Beasts plushies, picture of my horse. This is the snack jar for Tobi. We just have some more snow globes. I know they're at Christmas, but I love them. Just some fun stuff. Really simple and plain, which is how I wanted it. So in this empty area right in there, I had another Fantastic Beasts poster, but the frame came apart, so I need to get a new frame to put it in. Yeah, closet. Just some coats and my hammock and stuff like that. So where I keep my coupons, and just other business cards. Tobi's little area. So all his little toys and his food bowls. I need to wash his food bowl. Then his food bucket. And here's his little crate that he sleeps in with his little bed. And all of his stuff, from snacks to his harnesses and collars, his clothes. Well, the winter clothes at least. Some of these paper towels, potty pads, face wipes. Don't mind this. This right here, I need to take it to the cleaners to get washed. It's my old comforter that was on here. Hey Tobi, you're in your bed. And you got trash. My little Scentsy, or not Scentsy, my wallflower. So this is my weighted blanket. I use it at night, but it's really heavy to have on the bed. So I just kind of leave it in a pile on the floor because, you know, I'm an adult. And Tobi's little bed. And then this little nightstand, which has some books and lotions, another candle, some odds and ends. I love this clock mainly just because it's mint, and I love mint so much. But yeah, my room is pretty plain and bland. I like it. I got a new comforter for Christmas, so I bought myself, it's a duvet, and I really wanted one. So it's a golden white pattern that matches, because you know me and my golden whites over there, golden white and gray. And I bought these new sheets. I haven't put them on. I just put them on today. So they have like winter Frenchies, which I thought was super, super cute because it is still winter, obviously. And then I just have this throw that I got from Pottery Barn. It matches my throw pillows in the pig room, we'll call it. Except as you can see, this one's loose because I had to sew it back on, but Tiny likes to eat them. So one has come off, and I just confiscated. I'm like, you know what, if it falls off, I'll just collect them all. But it's super soft. It's one of those that's really soft, really light. I like it because it ties in the gray with the gold a lot. But yeah, and then I just have my bathroom, which is still crazy. But that's it. That's my room. I have all this open space, which I love, and there's trash on the floor that my dog was eating. But I really am obsessed with having so much floor space with Tobi. We can sit and play and run around, and we have all this space by having my bed against this wall. It makes it so much easier. Like, imagine my bed was here. It was all right there. Well, you can go back and watch the video. But we had no open space for Tobi to run around, and now we do, and I really like it. I like how this is set up. So the bench that I had at the end of my bed here, I thought about putting it over here maybe, but it's currently in the hallway at the top of the steps as like a little sitting area, so you can sit in the hallway if you want. Because I really wanted, I feel like Tobi's crate was just random, right bud? You want to eat that trash? I felt like it was kind of awkward because it was against the wall right here, against the the outlet that I don't know where the cover is for it, so that's dangerous. But his crate used to sit right there, as you can tell. Like, honestly, I just kind of moved it recently because there's still the indentations in the carpet. But I like it at the end of my bed. It just then opens up a lot of it. So there's my little room tour. Not much to see, but it's comfy. I like it a lot. It's home to me. And if you guys did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And Tobi and I will see you very soon. Tobi, can you say bye? Say bye. Oh, your eyes hanging out. Bye.